What seemed like a never-ending winter is finally over. It's finally time to get the grill out, to get the lawnmower out and start mowing your yard, maybe get in the car and take a vacation, do some traveling in our beautiful state. But it's also the beginning of ozone season. While ozone up high in the sky is a good thing for us, down at the ground level, it's a pollutant. When it's high in the atmosphere, ozone protects us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. But on the ground, ozone is a pollutant that irritates your eyes, nose, and lungs, which is why we say ozone is good up high, but bad nearby. Ozone needs two ingredients to form: nitrogen oxides and VOCs.
VOCs are volatile organic compounds. They're also a key ingredient of ground level ozone pollution. The word volatile means that it's easily released into the air. So they're virtually invisible, but they often have a strong smell.
VOCs come from gasoline, paint, solvents, and industrial processes. When sunlight adds heat to VOCs and nitrogen oxides in the warm summer months, you get ground-level ozone.
So in and of themselves, they can be toxic to human health, some of them. But as a whole, VOCs also contribute one of the main ingredients to ground-level pollutant that's bad for human health, ground-level ozone.
Ground-level ozone can form on hot days when you do basic tasks that release VOCs, like mowing your lawn, grilling out, painting, or filling up your car.
All of the things that release the ingredients for ground-level ozone are being produced, and then you have sunlight cooking them, and chemistry happens, and ozone is produced.
But the Kentucky Division for Air Quality has a camera that can actually see VOCs, and we want to show you what you can do to produce fewer VOCs and less ground-level ozone. It's called a FLIR camera, or forward-looking infrared radar. It lets you see the fumes you might smell, like this truck being filled with gas.
So it sees different wavelengths of light than the human eye is capable of seeing.
With the infrared camera, watch how many fumes come from a common spray paint can. Look at the fumes coming out of an older pickup truck. In high sensitivity mode, you can see them even better.
I had no idea that so many VOCs were being released. It's a huge cloud, and the fact that we're being exposed to that and breathing that is not very comforting, but also it helped me understand why it really is a major contributor to ozone during the summertime.
But we know we have to mow our yards, drive to work and practices, and to visit family. So what can we do to produce fewer VOCs and less ground-level ozone?
In the summertime, when ground-level ozone forms, it forms during the heat of the day. And so often, especially in large urban areas where you have a greater concentration of pollutants, you will see recommendations to do certain things after the heat of the day is done, after 6 p.m., 7 p.m., things that produce VOCs or nitrogen oxides. Nitrogen oxides are the other ingredient of ozone. So mowing the lawn, filling up the gas tank, doing extensive amounts of painting or things that release VOCs. We always suggest doing those later in the evening or maybe early in the morning.
So if you could follow those tips, not filling up your car during the day, mowing your grass in the evening, that will create less VOCs and less ground-level ozone, and we can have a better quality of air in the state of Kentucky. Thanks for watching.